Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is the place where we talk about SanTech, share valuable tips, and create content just for you. If you're looking to learn, grow, or simply enjoy great videos, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and welcome to the family. Before we begin, let's quickly go over the prerequisites. A server running Windows Server 2025, a static IP address configured on the server, a properly configured DNS setting, a strong administrator password, and basic network connectivity between your servers and client machines. In my lab environment, I'm using a fresh Windows Server 2025 machine named DC01, and we'll create a new domain called santech.local. Step 1. Configure static IP and server name. Before installing Active Directory, let's prepare the server. First, configure a static IP address on the server. This is required because domain controllers should always use a fixed IP address. Next, rename the server to a meaningful name, for example, SR25-DC01, and restart the server if prompted. Once the server is back online, log in with the local administrator account. Step 2. Install the ADDS role. Now let's install the Active Directory Domain Services role. Open Server Manager. Click on Manage and select Add Roles and Features. Click Next until you reach the Server Roles page. Select Active Directory Domain Services. When prompted, click Add Features to install the required components. Click Next through the Features page. Review the ADDS information page and then click Next. Finally, click Install to begin the role installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, click on Promote this server to a domain controller. Step 3. Promote the server to a domain controller. On the Deployment Configuration page, select Add a new forest. Enter the root domain name. In this example, I'll use santechlab.com. Click Next. On the Domain Controller Options page, choose the Forest Functional Level and Domain Functional Level. Leave DNS Server and Global Catalog selected. Set a strong Directory Services Restore Mode password. Then click Next. On the DNS Options page, you can ignore the delegation warning and click Next. On the Additional Options page, the NetBIOS name will be filled automatically. Click Next. On the Paths page, leave the default database, log, and SYVOL locations, then click Next. Review the configuration on the Review Options page and click Next. The prerequisite check will run automatically. Once all checks pass, click Install. The server will restart automatically after the promotion completes. Step 4. Verify domain controller installation. After the server reboots, log in using the domain administrator account. To verify the installation, open Server Manager, click Tools, and select Active Directory Users and Computers. Expand your domain name and confirm that the domain structure is visible. Open DNS Manager and verify that your forward lookup zone is created. You can also open Active Directory Administrative Center to confirm the domain is healthy. At this point, your Windows Server 2025 domain controller is fully operational. We have successfully installed and configured Active Directory domain services on Windows Server 2025 and promoted the server as a domain controller. This domain controller can now be used to centrally manage users, computers, group policies, and authentication in your network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SanTech for more Windows Server 2025 tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more amazing content. See you soon.